Hello, everyone, and today we'll be learning about the alphabet just for kids. A is for apple and alligator. Look at that fresh apple. B is for bicycle and bear. Look at that brown bear. C is for coconut and camping. Coconut water tastes really good. D is for dog and dolphin. Oh, look at the dog. It looks so cute. And the dolphin is cool. E is for earthworm and eagle. The eagle looks like a tiny baby eagle. Don't you see that? F is for fishing and flower. Look at the beautiful flower and look at the fish on the fishing rod. G is for grass and goldfish. Look how green the grass looks. H is for hat and hummingbird. The hummingbird looks really cool. I is for iguana and ice cream. Ice cream tastes really good in this summer. J is for jellyfish and juice. Juice is a nice way to cool off in summer. K is for kangaroo and kite. The kite is colorful. L is for leaf and lemonade. Look at that leaf, it kind of looks cool. M is for moon and mango. You see the moon at the night, and the mango is actually my favorite fruit. N is for noodles and a nap. You take more naps in the summer than you ever do in the winter. O is for ocean and orange. The orange tastes good. P is for popsicle and picnic. You can eat your popsicles at your picnic with your family. Q is for quarter and quilt. You use a quarter to pay for things. R is for rabbit and rock. Look at the cute rabbit. S is for sun and the sand. You see more of the sun in the summer. T is for treasure and tree. Oh, look at all the gold coins and the necklace. U is for underwater and ukulele. V is for volleyball and vegetable. W is for water and whale. You can also drink water for a nice way to cool off. X is for xylophone and X-ray. You see an X-ray in the hospital. Y is for yo and yacht. And then Z is for zoo and zebra. You see a zebra in the zoo. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Krista's channel for more videos. So then, bye everyone. See you in our next video.